Hello, I want to show you how to complete worksheets and then send a document, take a picture of a document or scan it and send it to the teacher in Google Classroom. So I can, so I'm gonna complete this assignment. So we saw him milk a cow, then I complete the whole assignment. Okay, then I'm gonna use an app that's called, let's see, okay, Genius Scan on my phone. So I take a picture and it scans it as a PDF file, and then I can send it to my teacher. Now I can look, this is available in your app store. So I look for Genius Scan. Oops. Okay, Genius Scan, and then open. Then I downloaded. I download the app and then open the app. Okay, when I'm done downloading the app, then I can go to the, okay, I can see that on my phone and I click on that. Okay, and okay, so there's a few, there's two documents here that I have scanned. So I'm gonna to able to scan, I'm gonna click on the camera, okay, and then place my phone. Okay, so take the picture of the document with on this button. So I'm gonna be ready to take the picture of the document. I'm sorry. Okay, and let me see. Okay, there's the document. I'm gonna open it right here. Okay, there's the document. I'm ready to send it. Now I'm gonna click on the check mark. Okay, again, and there's my picture. Okay, with my completed work. Now I'm ready to send it or to share it. I'm gonna send it to my teacher. So I'm gonna name it. Give it a name. Worksheet 1, and then then there's different options how to send it, how to share it. Now I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna send the Gmail to my teacher, right? And then okay, now I'm ready to send that. And then I can click on send, and there it is. Okay.